Hey everyone, Mandee here. So 3 hours later, and we have arrived to Albany, Saratoga Speedway for their season opener. Tonight is 54 laps, 5,400 to win for the big blocks. So just arrived, gonna head into the pits. Hopefully Mike and the guys are here already. Otherwise, I will be wandering the pits with my bag and no home. So unfortunately, April showers. There is a chance of rain, I think, coming in after 8 o'clock tonight. So fingers crossed that it stays away. So stay tuned, hang tight, and yeah, I'll show you what's happening. So, totally spoke way too soon. Mike is still 30 minutes away, so yeah, I really don't have a home right now. So, in the meantime, walk around, give you a tour. Assuming you might know this feeling when you're waiting to go to the principal's office. Where are you going at with this, Mandee? And you kind of have that anxious gut feeling this ain't gonna go too well. That was the line I was just in for the draw for starting position for the heat race. Yeah, just drew 45 out of 60. Ooh, let's just hope everyone drew really, really, really high numbers, because it's not really a good start, guys. I obviously do not have the drawing skills like the rest of the family. Last I checked, there are 39 modifieds attempting to qualify tonight. We start 7th in the third heat, 5 handicap, and 6 qualify. top of the track was not the answer. Bonsai to the top, first 2 laps, assuming he realized it wasn't working because fell back to last. Came back up, got 7th, missed it by 1. On to the consi. It's raining, they're calling out the consi, only 1 consi, start 3rd, 10 laps. I'm assuming 6 qualify, I make 24, so. So that was extremely short-lived, maybe set in line for the consi for like a hot minute, and I called back to the trailers. It's starting to rain heavier. Everyone's packing up. They haven't called the race yet. However, it's probably gonna take like 30 minutes just to load the trailer up, and it's probably gonna pour on us. So, ooh, I hate April showers. Well, since we last spoke, which was, and they just called the cars to the track and they just loaded the car in the trailer. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my god. Everyone around us are like, do we get the car out of the trailer or do we not? Guys, now it's pouring. Back in the trailer we go. So that was extremely unfortunate. Mother Nature is winning a lot of races so far this season, so no bueno. They did announce wristbands are still good, and I'm not really sure as far as makeup. Yeah, it kind of really stinks, but I do give them credit. I mean, it had a really good crowd, really good card count, and it slowed up just enough to be like, all right, get back on the track, and literally just unroll the car and it's pouring. So yeah, again, no bueno. However, walking to my car, the line, so I don't know if you see the pits or not. Yeah, empty. The line literally finally just died down. Oh, yes. So, actually, I am not heading up to our apartment in Elizabethtown. I'm actually heading over to Syracuse because tomorrow morning I am going to News Channel 9 on Bridge Street in Syracuse. So heading over there, gonna go on there and talk with the girls about racing. So I believe it's gonna be taped and it's gonna be aired Thursday morning on Bridge Street. So by the time you're watching this, guys, tune in. If you live in the Syracuse area, to Bridge Street Thursday morning and you can see me. Yay! So, unfortunate events, Mother Nature wins again, but stay tuned because I know we will definitely be back. Oh, that's what I wanted to ask you guys. So I've been here maybe a handful of times and I don't know what's good to eat here. So maybe I should like walk backwards so you can see me. I don't know what's good to eat here, so I would like, yeah, it's not happening. I would like you to tell me, if you've been here before, what is the go-to food at Albany, Saratoga? So in other news, I'm at my car. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the videos, subscribe to the channel. There's people in the car watching me do this right now. And come back next time.